Welcome back, guys. We have been doing so much work this week with our doubles and our doubles plus and minus one. Our learning target today is the same as it's been. I can use doubles facts to solve near doubles facts. So we can think the plus and the minus one. Let's start off with a quick review of our doubles facts. Get ready.
Doubles, I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. I can add doubles.
I want to hear you singing.
It's no trouble for me to add doubles.
Sorry about that, guys. We had some technical difficulties. Let's try that again. One plus one
equals two. Two plus two equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Double up, doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles.
Get ready for 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Double up, doubles. Add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles.
So we know our doubles facts. So my first question is a review question. Let's see what you remember. How is 3 plus 4 related to 3 plus 3? So again, how is 3 plus 4 related to 3 plus 3? Take a minute, think about it, and hit play when you're ready. I heard some great thinking out there. I know that they both have 3s, but this one has a 4 while that one has a 3. So 3 plus 3 equals what, guys? That's right, it's 6. So 3 plus 4 equals what? Well, I know that 3 plus 3 is a doubles fact, but 4 is one more than 3. So what would 3 plus 4 be if 3 plus 3 is 6? I heard some good thinking. So I'm going to draw out a model. So I've got my 3 plus 3. Now I'm going to draw my 3 plus 4. What do you notice? Well, I see, here's my 3 plus 3. But wait, now there's one more. So if 3 plus 3 is 6, then 3 plus 4 is, that's right, 7. This was a doubles plus 1 because we had one more. Great job, guys. Now, you're going to need your paper or your pencil and your math journal if you have it. Go ahead and pause the video to get your materials ready. Now that you have your materials ready, let's go ahead and use our doubles plus 1 and our doubles minus 1 to help solve this problem. Miss Walker has 5 boys and 4 girls in her class. How many students are in her class? Just like always, let's see what we know. With your paper and your pencil, what equation would go with this problem? Miss Walker has 5 boys and 4 girls in her class. How many students are in her class? What equation would I write if I know that there's 5 boys and 4 girls? Write the equation on your paper and hit play when you're ready. Great job, guys. Our equation was 5 plus 4. Now thinking about what we know about our doubles and how they can help us, what double comes to mind when you see 5 plus 4? Write it on your paper. Use your doubles to help you solve 5 plus 4. Go ahead and choose your double, write it down, and then see if you can solve what this would be using a doubles fact. Hit play when you're ready. Did you think of a doubles fact that could help you? Great. How did you use your doubles fact? I heard some great thinking. One that I heard was using the double 4 plus 4, because there is a 4 in the problem. So, but I know that 5 is 1 more than that 4. So I would have 4 plus 4 plus 1. Great thinking. So what would my answer be? Solve your double first, and then add your plus 1. Solve that on your paper if you haven't already, and then hit play. Great thinking. So I know that there's a 5 in this problem. So I could double my 5. Am I done? No, because I know that 4 is 1 less than 5. So I would have my double, but I would need to minus 1. I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, and minus 1, that's right, would be 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. I can use my doubles and add 1, or I can use my doubles and minus 1. Great thinking, guys. Make sure that you have your pencil and your paper to help you with this next one. There are 7 players on the red team and 8 players on the blue team. How many players are there? Let's think about it. There are 7 players on the red team and 8 players on the blue team. How many players are there? What equation would help you with that? If you know that there's 7 players on the red team and 8 players on the blue team, Write your equation on your paper that would represent this problem. I heard some great thinking. Our equation would be 7 players on the red team plus 8 players on the blue team equals box, because that's what we're trying to figure out, is how many players in all. Now, we have some characters with us today that are going to help us with our solving. Buzz tried to solve this problem by using 7 plus 7 plus 1. Boom tried to solve this problem by using 8 plus 8 minus 1. Who is correct and how do you know? So using this problem on your paper, think about which doubles fact that you can use to help you solve this problem. Write it out, solve it, and then hit play when you're ready. Your problem is 7 plus 8 equals box. What doubles fact could you use to help you solve it? Is it Buzz with his 7 plus 7 plus 1? Or Boom with his 8 plus 8 minus 1? Solve your problem, and when you're ready, hit play. I heard some great thinking. Let's double check some of your answers. I heard some people say you can double the 7, so let's try that. 7 plus 7 plus 1. I know that 8 is 1 more than 7, so I need to add my plus 1. Let's see what that would get us. What is 7 plus 7? That's right. It's 14. And 1 more would be, that's right, it's 15. So would that work? Would 7 plus 7, so you're doubling the 7, but there's 1 more plus 1, would that help us solve this problem? Is Buzz correct? Let's see. He said 7 plus 7 plus 1 is 15. There's our 14, plus 1 would be 15. But what about Boom? Is he wrong? Let's see. He said that 8 plus 8 minus 1. Let's see. Well, I know he used the 8 to double. So he's got his double 8 plus 8. But 7 is 1 less than 8. So I would need to minus 1. What is 8 plus 8? That's right, it's 16. And I would have to minus 1 because this 7 is 1 less than this 8. So 16 minus 1 would be, that's right, it's also 15. So using our doubles, you can either double the first number, which was 7 plus 7, and since this is 1 more, you would add 1 more. Or you can double the second number, which is 8 plus 8, but that 7 is 1 less than 8, so I would need to minus 1, and that would give me 15. So, let's think about our question. Who is correct? And how do you know? What is 7 plus 8? Well, I can solve it using a model. I'm going to double check my work. I know that I have 7 there's my 7 plus 8 what do you notice? Again, I know that this is 7, so I'm going to count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I see there's 7 plus 7, and there's one more. I can also show that with 8 plus 8. And then another 8. I know that 8 plus 8 is 16, but that 7, it wasn't 8 plus 8, it was 7 plus 8. So that 7 is 1 less. So when I mark 1 less, what is my answer? What is 1 less than 16? That's right. It's also 15. So, 7 plus 8 must be, because I had 7 and I added 8, and my answer was 15. So who is right, guys? Is it Buzz or Boom? You got me. It's both. Both of them correct. Because you can either double the first number and add 1, or double the next number and minus 1. Buzz and Boom were both correct. And I know that because I checked my work. I showed 7 and I showed 8. Your doubles can help you to solve those models and those equations quicker. It's going to build your fluency in your head. If you know your doubles fact, 7 plus 7, then you know one more is going to be 15. If you know your doubles fact, 8 plus 8, one less would also be 15. Throughout the week, I want you to keep watching and trying to use your doubles to help you solve. Think about adding 1 or subtracting 1 based on your numbers. Great job this week with learning your doubles plus 1 and minus 1. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.